Most people I know of dream about becoming their own boss. However, to become your own boss, you need a leverage. In today's age, that leverage is called business. Not just anyhow business, but an online business. For you to have that leverage of owning and running an online business that can literally give you the time that you want to have, the money to spend, places you want to travel to, go for that vacation, buy whatever thing that you want to buy, and in fact, while you are sleeping, your account is ringing of a lot that is entering into your bank account. Not only that, but you have the freedom to work from anywhere in the world that you choose to work from. That is the definition of becoming your own boss. Right now, I'll walk you through 10 essential steps that will help you to launch and grow a successful online business. Now, whether you are somebody who is just coming into the sphere of online business, or you are somebody who is already in it, but you are thinking about how you can level up your online business, these steps and this video is for you. Let's go into step number 1 without any further ado. The first step towards becoming an online business boss is discovering step number 1. And without discovering this step number 1, you won't be able to know what the people you want to serve are passionate about. You won't be able to know the kind of skill set that you need to have. As a matter of fact, you won't be able to even serve the market that will make you earn so much money. What am I talking about? I'm talking about discovering and understanding your niche, right? You need to find your niche. You need to know an area of passion, an area of skill set, an area that allows you to solve a problem in the marketplace. And that is what we call the niche. Now, finding your niche is like discovering your superpower. The moment you find your niche, it's like discovering your purpose in life, right? The moment you understand what your purpose is, you begin to dive into it and you begin to find strength whenever you embark on what has to do with your own purpose. And that is exactly what finding your niche is all about. Now, think about you meeting people at the point of their need with what you love. You see, your niche must be something you love. It must be something you are good at. And most importantly, it must be a problem that you have solution for. Now, the moment you are able to identify your niche, the next thing you need to do is for you to head up onto this particular tool, which is Google Trend, to see what people are saying about that particular niche. Are people asking questions about it? Are people interested in what you have to offer as a niche? And that is what you must do in step number 1. But you see, finding the perfect niche can feel overwhelming. But trust me, it is worth investing the time. The moment you find your niche, the next step to take is to validate your niche. Now, once you find your niche, it is time for you to roll up your sleeves, get to know your audience better, understand the customer that you are about to be serving. You need to know what makes them tick. What is the thing? What is the problem that they are looking for to solve in the marketplace? Without that, I'm telling you, you can't even do anything. And how to do that is step number 2, which is conducting market research, right? So understanding your customer is the backbone of every business. What they like, what they want to have, what are they looking for, what is their problem, why are they searching online about certain things. You need to know. And how to do that is step number 2. Now, step number 2 is conducting market research. That is step number 2 to perform in order for you to become an online business boss. When it comes to market research, people usually have difficulties in this. But you see, market research is that particular ability that helps you to discover what really works in the marketplace. It's like you being a detective, right? You are gathering clues about your target audience, their needs, their pain points, analyzing your competitor to see what are your competitors doing in the marketplace that is making people to buy their products. You are using things like surveys, social media listening, analytics, Google Analytics, Amazon Analytics to check, to survey, to see what are people saying about this particular product that you are about to go into to create. To understand this, you must do your market research. Now, knowing audience inside and out is a crucial aspect of building a loyal customer base. But let's explore the next step. Now, knowing the customer is just the beginning of this whole journey, because in step number 3, we are going to discover something very important. But what is step number 3? Step number 3 is creating a business plan. Now, a business plan is your roadmap to success. It is a living document that outlines your goal, your strategies, and your financial projections. Usually, There are different ways to create a business plan. You can choose to go with the long route or the short route. The short route is when you just create a simple 3-page business plan, right? Where you have basic stuff that you outline on that business plan, which I'm going to mention shortly. Then you can either go for the long part, which is you having up to 9-page business plan, where you have a lot of information about the market. But whatever path to choose, you arrive at the same thing. The goal here is to help you stay focused, attract investors if you need money for your business, or make informed decisions about the business you're about to go into. So outline your business goals, your target audience, your market strategy, and your revenue model. If you can get this done, you are done. Just do this thing in 1 to 3 pages, and that will be enough for you to get started. Now, a solid business plan is like having a GPS for your business. It keeps you on track and helps you navigate the challenges that will come in the future. Step number 4 is choosing the business name and register it immediately. Usually, if you want to do this, the first thing you want to check for is to check for a domain name, if your domain name is available. Because remember, we are talking about online business. Even before you go to register it in a physical registry, first of all, go for domain name. Go and check it. Check if it's available online so that you can start to create your own brand identity online. It's very important you choose a name that reflects the value that you are going to provide to the customer. And not only that, it is easy for them to pronounce the moment the name is out. Now, a catchy and a memorable business name is essential for brand recognition, considering using keywords related to your niche, right? So you can check for domain availability and secure all your social media handle for this business. This is the first important thing you need to do in order for you to create your own brand identity from the get-go. Now, choosing a perfect business name can be very tricky. But let me tell you something, you don't need to get stuck on trying to get the best business name. Just get started, brainstorm with ChatGPT and other AI tools that will help you to choose the business name that can allow you to serve the market in the best possible way. Now, step number 5 is all about establishing your digital presence. Now, when we talk about digital presence, we are talking about you having a platform where you can connect with this audience and they also can connect with you, right? We're talking about having a presence where people can go, hear from you, get to even buy from you and connect with you. So when it comes to doing this, one of my best recommendations is for you to have a professional website that showcase your product and services. Use platforms like WordPress, Shopify, Wix. Depend on what product and services you are providing online. After that, make sure your website is well optimized for search engine visibility, right? Then build a very strong social media presence on social media platforms like X, Instagram, YouTube, TikTok, and LinkedIn. Building a strong brand online takes time and effort, but it's worth it. Now, the moment you are done building your online brand, the next thing is for you to map out your marketing strategy in order for you to engage your audience. And that brings us to step number 6. From step number 1 to step number 5, we are all in the preparatory stage. We've not started nothing yet. No, of course, I'm kidding. We have done so much. We are already at 60%. But step number 6 is so important that it looks as if we have not started. Because in step number 6 is when you create and develop your product, right? You develop your products and services at this stage. Now, your products and services are the heart of your business. They should solve a problem or fulfill the desire of your target audience. A high quality product or service that deliver an exceptional value in the marketplace is going to be the major thing that will distinguish you between other people who are doing the same thing in the same niche as you. That is why gathering feedback from potential customers and refining your product will be a key thing to do when creating your products. Now, for digital products, you can use tools like Canva, Teachable, Gumroad. These tools will be a game changer when it comes to creating, hosting, and even selling your digital products. Developing a standout product or a service require careful planning and execution. So, in case you need help with this, get professionals to help you do this part if you can't do it on your own. Let's move to step number 7. Now, quickly, step number 7 is setting up your payment method. You see, the moment you create your products, you need to make sure you have a platform where people can get to go and buy this product from you. And that is how you get your own cash. Now, make it easy for customers to pay you as you make products available to them. A smooth checkout process is essential for conversion rate to go up whenever you have these products. So that is why you must choose a secure and reliable payment gateway like PayPal, Stripe, Square, or any other local payment gateway that you can have access to, right? For instance, if you're in Nigeria or other part of Africa, you might not be able to have access to platforms like Stripe or even PayPal, right, for receiving and making payment. But you can be able to use other payment gateway like Payoneer, Paystack for your checkout process so that you can start to get those moolah as your product is being sold. Step number 8 is very important. Remember, a great product deserves a great marketing strategy. You need to reach your target audience and convince them why they should buy from you instead of your competitors. And that is why step number 8 is planning your marketing strategy. Now, you must know how to develop a marketing plan that will include the following. 1. Content marketing, social media marketing, email marketing, and paid advertisement. See, there is no way around this. You must involve one of these 4 in order for you to have a successful online business that's going to be making so much money. The moment you put this in together, track your results and adjust your strategy as needed. Marketing is an ongoing process. You need to understand this. So it's not something that you're thinking about the moment you start and you start making money. No, sometimes it takes time. Yes, like every other thing takes time. So, but the moment you start seeing the money coming in, you begin to calculate your return on investment and you begin to make certain decisions that's going to drive your profit to the roof and you begin to live the life of your dream. Step number 9 is launching your product or launching your business. Now, that moment has arrived. It is time to launch your business and to share your product to the entire world. What do you need to do about it? The first thing you need to do is for you to build anticipation. That's what we call pre-launch activities, where you begin to offer exclusive promotion, you host a launch, you host an event, you engage with audience on social media platforms. You can even decide to have a challenge, you do 30 days promotion, you understand? You go to try different stuff that's going to make you put the word out there about your product. Yes, and you must remember that launching a successful business requires careful planning, execution, and most importantly, you must learn to create a buzz around your launch. Once you have this done, then we enter the last stage, which is stage number 10. Stage number 10 is the most important aspect of scaling the business after the launch, which is monitoring and making improvements. Now, your journey as an entrepreneur will never end. It is a continuous journey of monitoring your products, improving its performance, and seeking for other opportunities to make things work better than the way they used to work. Yes, so how do you get this done? First thing to do is you make sure you have tools, analytical tools that you can use to track your website for leads that are coming in that you are generating. Also track your customer behavior and also track your sales. How are you making the sales? Where are your sales coming from? Is it from the organic traffic or from the paid traffic? You need to track all these stuff, right? You also gather customer feedback. Identify areas of improvement where you need to adjust. Is it your customer care? Is it how you're making sales? Is it your sales process? Is it how you convert your leads into clients? You need to adjust. Look at all this stuff and adjust them. You need to set all the system up so that everything can be seamless, right? Now, success in business is an ongoing process. The moment you start, the journey begins, and that journey continues. As it continues, you keep improving it as you go. One thing that you need to keep doing is the ability for you to adapt to changes, right? Once you start a business, changes will occur. You have to learn how to adapt to them so that you can keep improving along the way. So with this 10 steps, you'll be able to launch a successful online business. But wait, that is not all. What business are you going to launch? Remember, you can either launch an offline business or a digital product business. Now, but if you don't have the step-by-step approach of creating this digital product before you even launch it as a business, then this particular video that I'm going to recommend to you is going to be the video that you are going to watch. Go watch this video right now. You'll be able to see step-by-step process on how to create a digital product that will give you the opportunity to be your own boss and live the life of your dream. Alright, go click it and watch it now. See you in the next video.